Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we will go and find out how to change someone's nickname in Discord server. So let's get straight into it. First thing first, go to your Discord app. Now we will go to the server, and what we need to do now is go to server settings. So here, server settings, open up and search for members. Here you will see members that you have in your server. And now on more options, you will click more options, and here you will find an options to change someone nickname. Right now this is my profile, so I can do that here, but so this is one way how to change nickname of someone. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.